Welcome. In this short tutorial, you'll learn the capabilities of the Document Differences application. Use the docdiff when you want to compare two versions of the same document and identify what has changed. Let's get started. From the Welcome page, click Start. In the Task menu, click Document Differences, then click Next. Select a project from the Projects menu. Click the box next to each of the two documents you want to compare. Click Analyze. The result window opens. The two documents appear side by side. Lines of text that have been modified, inserted, or deleted are highlighted in different colors. If this tutorial was helpful, click here or subscribe to see more videos to learn how to use the Content Analytics platform in a quick and easy way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.